Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Kakunhun Menteri Jong Sorkar Jylla, Haka Khat Laitrik Unok Pra Arjar Arfuar, Kalarai Ban Ai Jing Mynjur Yaki Khat Artali Kishlempule, Hagane Jylla Meghalaya, Kumki People's College. Kini ki Khat Artali ki College ki Bansayo Jingirap Naga Sorkar Jylla, Kilonga Thomas Jones Synod College, Ka Abong Noga College, Ka Krausing Christian College, Ka Riwar College, Ka Loyola College, Ka Balawan College, Ka Mausanram Border Area College, Ka Selsela College, Ka Sengkasi College, Ka Mendipathar College, Ka Ngap Sing Siem Memorial College, but Ka Tikrikila College. Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad K. Sangma, Hakajing Yakren bat kilat patai kubor ulai Ithuh, baga kunhon Menteri kala Mynjur ban penkha, yaki sanction post naga benta ka Shillong Government College of Engineering and College of Agriculture and Planning, Tura.
The next decision was the approval of New People's College in the state. So the cabinet has decided to approve and sanction 12 new people's colleges throughout the state. They are number 1, Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, West Jente Hills, Number 2, Abong Noga College, Tura, West Garo Hills. Number 3, Krausing Christian College, Moplang, East Khasi Hills. Number 4, Riwar College, Peninsula, East Khasi Hills. Number 5, Loyola College, William Nagar, East Garo Hills. Number 6, Balawan College, Umsning, Ribhoy. Number 7, Mausanram Border Area College, Mausanram, East Khasi Hills. Number 8, Selsela College, Selsela, West Garo Hills. Number 9, Sengkasi College, Jayau, Shillong. Number 10, Mendipathar College, Mendipathar, North Garo Hills. Number 11, Ngap Sing Memorial College, Mokurwat, West Khasi Hills. And number 12, Tikrikila College, Tikrikila, West Garo Hills. These 12 new colleges, people's colleges, have been approved by the cabinet today. The approval of sanction posts for Shillong Government College of Engineering in Shillong and for the College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tura. So in both of these colleges, the buildings are almost complete, 99%. And now that the sanction posts are being approved, this college is now, after the necessary procedures of different commissions and agencies which need to be taken. Once that is done, we are hopeful that by July, the first academic session of 2023 academic session can be started. So the posts for Shillong Government College of Engineering and the College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tura, these have been approved today.